Here we go, time to destroy this small dude. Obsessed with Caillou, yeah. Loving Gacha life with a really bad mic. Let's beat him in this fight, yeah. What a joke. April 1st, channel creation. AI covers your channel's only salvation. Getting loud with the ship, shows for kids. It's all you ever post about, but you're hard to hear. Never can you ever stay on the beat. Then after that, you're badgering an RP. But your channel is cringy and dead broke. All called out by Rev Ron. Now red, now you're hesitating. I'll be remaining. You ain't entertaining, yeah. You'll end in a tie, but your channel will die. Can't wait to hear you cry, yeah. Rejection from BTDYBB, just like with Moxie. You'll take this L like Alaskan C.
Rude on his B-day.
You're talking shit, audio, Caillou all night.
Yeah!
I date what AUs has been boss. Leo, honestly, you're pathetic. Failed when you were Peter Spider-Man. I will light you on fire, cause you know I'll be the one who is winning. Go ahead, try me. See, you won't get by me. You're shitty out of street. Run back to your AI, but you know that I will be flying free. Yeah. So now you know my name. Are you ready? Cause you be gone from the game. Now you're stressed out. Oh yeah, here we go. You'll be gone.
Irrelevant.
Honestly, my man, you're annoying.
Just like all your trashy edits.
Go ahead, go. Take your shot, but you'll
Just like with all your vids.
the only thing you like, your show for kids.
You'll be dropped from the hernia.
Leo will drop just like all his views, and after that we all should know he's gonna lose. You'll never ever rule the world, needless to say. You'll be the one who's gonna go. I'm gonna beat you. Won't make it to round two. Call it the versus me.
You'll feel like you always do.
Only thing that gets views, crappy edits, the movies roll to me.
Won't manifest it somehow.
You think you're hot stuff, you never got enough. You will never beat me.
Can't be drawing of Gary.
Don't mess with internet boy, or else you'll get destroyed. Don't take this lost while.
All I do is game.